My name is Jaffa Ausaf Nafifa.
And my name is Irwansyah.
My name is Ilham Kondemansyah.
My name is Sophie Sevilla Putri. You can call me just Sophie.
The page 1 is introduction. Advanced material. Materials developed using advanced technologies with superior properties. Materials has a role for driving technological advancement, increasing efficiency and supporting sustainability. Example, graphene, nanomaterial, superconductors.
Yeah.
The next categories. Number 1, nanomaterials. Materials with at least one dimension of 100 nanometers of length and can be made from any element.
Number 4, composite material. Tiga.
And the next categories. Number 1, nanomaterials. Materials with at least one dimension of 2000.
Dua, tiga.
And the next page, categories.
Tiga.
And the next page, categories. Number 1, nanomaterials. Materials with at least one dimension of 100 nanometers or less and can be made from any element.
Number 2 is composite material. Material that's created by combining two or more constituent materials with dissimilar chemical or physical properties.
And the number 3, superconductor. Material that can conduct electricity without resistance when cooled below a specific temperature.
Number 4, advanced ceramic. Inorganic, non-metallic material that are made from highly pure synthetic pressure source. Belum. Dah.
In respects, advantage. Energy efficiency, lightweight materials for energy saving transportation. Sustainability, environmentally friendly materials, e.g. biodegradable.
Okay, next, high performance, exceptional mechanical, electrical, or thermal properties. 1. Mechanical properties. These are material designed to endure extreme forces and wearing. They include high strength and durability. Carbon fiber composite and titanium alloys used in aerospace and automotive industries. Overstrength and reliability under heavy loads. Toughness and flexibility. High carbon steels are engineered to resist factors, ensuring durability in construction and machinery. 2. Electrical properties. Exceptional electrical properties are key in electronic and power systems. High conductivity, copper and silver used in electrical wiring are excellent conductor of electricity. Dielectric change, material like ceramics prevent electrical breakdown, ensuring stability in power system. 3. Thermal properties. Material with great thermal properties are crucial for high temperature application. High thermal conductivity. Materials such as diamond and copper conduct heat effectively, making them ideal for cooling system. Thermal resistance. Ceramics and refractory metals can withstand high temperatures, essential for industries like aerospace and nuclear engineering. Next, technological innovation, enabling AI, flexible electronic, and more. Technological innovation, especially in artificial intelligence or AI, and flexible electronic are transforming industries. AI, driven by machine learning and big data, it's revolutionizing sectors like healthcare, finance, and transportation by automating tasks and improving decision making. In healthcare, for example, AI systems help doctors diagnose diseases more quickly and accurately. Flexible electronic, which allow for lighter, more durable, and adaptable devices, are enabling innovation like bendable smartphones, wearable health devices, and smart fabrics. These advancements promise to make everyday life more connected and efficient. Thank you.
Thank you for your attention. That's all for us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.